what we have, and we should always look at the bright side, like I do here. Yes, this road is looking too amazing. Let's check this out, okay? Ah, okay, this is a nice spot for a Johnny Bravo here. Maybe. Holy, it's looking too crazy, like on a rock. Okay, I'm gonna show you 180 degrees. Okay, we're starting. Okay, from there we come. So, check the coast. I have been in the top there too. Yes, I'll be waiting you next year to come with me in the top there of the mountain. Ah, then you'll see the world from a different perspective. And probably it will help you to take better decisions in life. I don't know. I'm just saying everything is possible.